Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So far in the electrical and electronics measurement section we have covered various concepts related to measurement, the introductory concepts. We discussed about the performance characteristics basics, and we have also discussed about some performance characteristics and related concepts such as accuracy, error, the different types of error, the different ways of representing accuracy, about calibration. So in this video we are going to discuss about another performance characteristic related to measurement or a measuring instrument, which is about range and span, okay, of an instrument. So a quick look, we know that the basic concept of measurement involves comparison of an unknown quantity or parameter, the value of which we want to determine, with the known reference or standard which is predetermined, and the result which we get as a result of this comparison is the output of the instrument. Okay, so this is the basic idea behind measurement which is done in a instrument. So where does range and span come into play? So the important thing in the measurement system from signal point of view is the input signal, which is the measurand, and the output signal, which is the measurement value. Now here, what is the minimum value of the input signal to which the measurement system will respond, or it can detect that signal and produce the output, and what is the maximum value of the input signal which can be processed by this measurement system to give the output, and also corresponding to those input and output signals, what is the minimum and maximum values of the output of this instrument. This is specified by range and span, these two performance characteristics, the minimum and maximum values of input and the corresponding minimum and maximum values, the minimum and maximum values of the input signal, the measurand, and the minimum and maximum values of the output corresponding to it. So that is specified by range and span. Okay, so this basic concept or the definition of range is that the input and output signal, which is the input signal which is given to a instrument, the output which we get corresponding to that, that is specified by a minimum and maximum values, or the highest or lowest readings. Okay, so this specification of the measuring apparatus, the instrument, in terms of its highest and lowest values, the minimum and maximum values, this is called as the input and output range. Okay, specified by Imin, Imax, and Omin, Omax. Minimum value of input Imin, maximum value of input Imax, minimum value of output Omin, maximum value of output Omax. So this is the range of the instrument, the input and output range. Okay, for example, let's say a thermocouple has an input range from 100 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius, and an output range from 5 millivolt to 10 millivolt. The meaning of this is that anything below 100 degrees Celsius it cannot detect, it will not produce any output. Anything above 300 degrees Celsius it will not produce any output. It can only operate between 100 degrees Celsius and 300 degrees Celsius. It means any temperature between 100 degrees Celsius and 300 degrees Celsius, this thermocouple is operational, is applicable. Similarly, let us say we have a pressure transducer which has an input range from 10 to 10 to the power 4 Pascal, okay, and an output range corresponding to it from 4 to 20 milliampere. So it means that any pressure value in between 10 to 10 to the power 4 Pascal, the pressure transducer will detect the input signal and can produce an output corresponding to it. Between that range, those minimum and maximum values, anything below and above the extreme values, it will not work. So the specification of the sensors or transducers or the measuring instruments in terms of their range and span is very important, because there are varieties of application. Process parameters are of different magnitude, different values, let be it temperature, pressure, humidity, displacement, velocity, speed. So it is very important that we know the input and output range of operation of the device or the apparatus or the instrument which we want to use, so that it fits into our operational range. Okay, so this is very important. You might have seen that when you buy weighing scales, it has some maximum value that it can measure up to 150 kilos or 180 kilos or 120 kilos. So if we put more weight than that, the instrument will get damaged. Okay, so similar to that. So it is very similar to that. Okay, we have to know the range of operation of the instrument. Now span is also related to range, the same thing, but it's just a different mathematical interpretation. So it is the difference between the largest and the smallest readings of the instrument, the maximum and minimum values, the difference between the maximum and the minimum values, or the highest and lowest readings for both the input and output. It is called as the span of the instrument. So there are two spans that will come, input span and output span. The input span is the difference between the maximum value of the input and the minimum value of the input which is applicable for that instrument. The output span is the difference between the maximum value of the output and the minimum value of the output for that instrument. Okay, so it corresponds to range. The maximum and minimum values are specified by the range of the instrument. So the difference between the maximum and minimum values is called as span. For example, this for this thermocouple and pressure transducer, the input and output spans will be, for thermocouple it is 300 degrees Celsius minus 100 degrees Celsius, which is 200 degrees Celsius. The output span is 10 millivolt minus 5 millivolt, which is 5 millivolt. For the pressure transducer, it is 10 to the power 4 minus 10, 9990. Output span is 20 milliampere minus 4 milliampere, which is 16 milliampere. Okay, so it is just the same thing, the input and output span and input and output range. So the knowledge of range and span is very important, so that we know what is the extreme values, the minimum and maximum values of the input which we must apply. For some instrument, it is specified, for various types of apparatus when you buy, it is specified that do not apply anything more than this, because if we apply more than that, the instrument will get damaged. So we have to take proper care. If we know these things beforehand, then we can use the apparatus in a better way without damaging it. So this is the concept about range and span of the instrument. Okay, so we have discussed about the basic concepts related to range and span. In the upcoming videos, we are going to discuss about more such performance characteristics. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel Engineering Tutorial for more such videos related to electrical, electronics, instrumentation and communication engineering. Have a great day. Thank you very much.